In the UK, they have a scheme, it's called the Considerate Contractor Scheme, and we're looking at bringing the people that implemented that over to Gibraltar. They're going to call it the Gibraltar Construction Board, which is a scheme that all of the contractors and therefore indirectly the developers buy into, and they participate in the scheme, which maintains standards. So it means that they have to comply with certain minimum standards across the board. Now, when you walk around London, there is actually a lot of construction going on, but in a lot of sites, you'll see a placard that says this construction site is part of the Considerate Contractor Scheme. The site is actually a very well-maintained site. They have controls on the sort of subcontractors. They have controls on all sorts of things.
When's that coming in?
Well, we're actually in discussions to try and sign up an MOU in the next couple of weeks.
This is where we have a disjointed approach to Gibraltar's development, and we need a more medium to long-term plan. So, for example, if the debate that needs to be had, for example, should we go up or should we go out? I have a problem with going up, actually, because I think it does create wind tunnels, and there's also potentially a mental health effects and all the rest of it. But you know, this is why you need to have a proper debate. This is why you need to have, for example, a proper reclamation program, but a proper one, a planned one. In many respects, like the GSLP had in its first term. We haven't seen that in the 4 terms of this new GSLP administration. So it is that type of thing. You need to consider all the traffic effects, the noise effects. In Malta, for example, there is a major issue because there's been a lot of construction as a result of their economic success, but also it has this negative, nefarious effect on people's health. And these are all the things that we need to look at holistically, but we need to do it, and we need to do it now and not wait for another 2 years for a development plan to eventually come through.